using that one. So let's just discuss about it. Is called as AI security, artificial intelligence security for cyber security. Okay, so this is nothing but like a small domain which is going to add in the future. So what do you mean by artificial intelligence? See, artificial intelligence means, like a human beings will not solve that one. Okay, automatically the robots will do that kind of things. Okay, so what are the topics which we're going to cover in that one? It's like what exactly we'll do. We will try to make a machine learn in such a way that it will behave as a humans. Okay, machine,
Okay.
we will try to train the machine. Okay, and then the machine will try to implement and learn the things as if the human learn the things, and then he will implement. Okay, so basically now we'll see in detail. We'll try to cover the concept of machine learning techniques. Okay, how we try to make the machine learn. Okay, and then how exactly that artificial intelligence means, what exactly, how the machine will try to perform the task like humans.
Okay.
Okay, so now this is the following things what we're going to learn in the objectives. Okay, foundation and discipline of artificial intelligence, identifying security activities at different stages of AI, how AI can help you to tackle the problem of scale. Okay, I will discuss in detail, and like using the AI to avoid the false positive. False positive means what exactly? Suppose, for example, an error occur. We will think might be the error occur, but it doesn't occur. Okay, and how AI can address the issue before the threat comes. Suppose, for example, one threat is coming. Okay, how can AI realize that threat? Suppose I have just given you an example, right, for like a waiter. Okay, like in like a China, what exactly happening in China now? Okay, waiter is trying to give the things to the different customers, right? So what will happen? Like a waiter will have to serve to a person who he knows. He cannot able to serve to a person who he don't have to give the things, right? So now one more topic is called how exactly clustering method that will solve the security problems, and then we'll see in detail about how exactly we will try to prepare with respect to the organization point of view, how exactly we'll try to prepare the concept of AI, and what are the tools exactly we are using to evaluate the AI things. Okay, now when I talk about this artificial intelligence syllabus, what exactly we'll try to cover in AI is what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence for security will see what is the foundation and discipline of AI, what is the learning of like a discipline of AI, security objective and approaches, end-to-end security framework, and what are the security controls that are used in AI. Okay, number third unit will see completely in detail about like leveraging AI to solve the complex security problem, how exactly the problem scale is there with respect to the AI, problem of context, problem of precision and accuracy, problem of speed. Okay, and now this is the chapter number, unit number 4. We'll discuss in detail about machine learning, how we will make a machine train. Okay, we have to train a machine, but we have to train in such a way that there should be no security problems, right? And
Okay.
then we'll see in detail about the categories of machine learning, prediction and regression. Okay, classification, pattern and anomaly detection. We'll see practically about each word in detail. Okay, practical
Okay.
consideration, risk and limitation of AI. Three ways AI can fail. AI means what? Artificial intelligence can fail. Okay, one, limitation and poor implementation. Okay, let me make this correct right now. Implementation of AI. We are making a robot train, but we have to make sure that robot should get trained accurately, right? We should not give a false kind of information and then we have to come back again and correct it. Okay, use of AI by the criminals. Okay, getting your organization ready for artificial intelligence, evaluating the AI products. What are the AI products which company is using, and depend upon that we will have a different kind of conclusions. Okay,
Okay.
so now we'll see what is artificial intelligence as a human. Okay, see, we are like a human being will do some tasks based upon our intelligence, but how do this robot know about these kind of things? We can acquire and store some knowledge. That is why we'll do a task. For example, like a waiter will serve a accurate food at the accurate table, right? How will the robot know? Okay, if for example any customer have paid the bill for the table number 10, okay, and then what will that human do? Human will serve the food on the table number 10, right? But how will the robot know? we have to train a robot in such a way that he will go and serve the food at the table number 10 itself. Are you getting now? Hello. We
Hello,
are
yes, sir.
serving a food. Yes. So now
Yeah.
basically artificial intelligence, what exactly? We are making a machine ready in such a way he will perform a task. Now if we move more further from there, like see here, and an intelligent agent is a machine or a software or a system that maximizes the probability of sensing and acting the sense. So we will make a machine learn, for example, like a household cleaning robot. Okay, what exactly household cleaning robot will do? We will make a robot trained to clean the house. In such a way, we will tell the robot that this is where the door is coming. Please don't clean the door. We will tell the robot very clearly that, okay, fine. That means robot can sense the surrounding and he will create the map of the floor and make the correction of the baseline. And then he will try to do what? He will try to do mop. That means you think if this robot get hacked, will that be a problem to the organization? See, this kind of artificial intelligence now will going to implement in the future, 2022, 23, 24, so on. Till now, it is there in very less, only 2% of company is using right now. But in the future, is keep on getting increased. It will continuously will be there in the hospital industry, manufacturing industry, banking industry, insurance industry, and so many different kind of industries. So
Okay.
whenever you heard about a